What is an OASAS evaluation in New York after a DWI arrest? After a DWI arrest in New York, an OASAS evaluation can play a major role in what happens next. An OASAS evaluation is a clinical screening used to determine whether alcohol or drug use may have contributed to the arrest and whether treatment is appropriate. In most DWI and DWAI cases, New York courts require this evaluation before the case can be resolved. That means the results can affect plea negotiations, sentencing, and even the return of your driving privileges. If the question is whether an OASAS evaluation is required after a DWI arrest, the answer is usually yes. OASAS stands for the Office of Addiction Services and Supports, which oversees addiction treatment services and approves providers who perform these evaluations. The evaluation is not meant to punish you. It is meant to assess whether there are signs of an alcohol or substance use problem that should be addressed. Even so, the outcome can carry real weight with prosecutors, judges, and the DMV. A typical OASAS evaluation includes a structured interview with a licensed professional approved by the state. That interview usually lasts between 60 and 90 minutes. The evaluator may ask about your employment, family background, medical history, mental health, and any history of alcohol or drug use. You may also be asked about the circumstances of the arrest and any prior involvement with the legal system. In many cases, the evaluator will request collateral contacts, such as family members, friends, or employers, who can provide additional information. Most evaluations also include a toxicology screening, such as a urine drug test. It is important to arrive prepared with a valid photo ID, court paperwork, police paperwork, BAC results if available, and contact information for collateral sources. Being honest during the interview matters because inconsistencies can raise concerns and affect the final recommendation. Possible outcomes include no clinical concern, education only through the impaired driver program, outpatient treatment, or intensive outpatient or inpatient treatment. A favorable result may help a defense lawyer argue for a more favorable resolution. A concerning result may lead the court to require counseling, treatment, or other conditions. The DMV may also require proof that any recommended treatment has been completed before restoring a suspended or revoked license. For people with professional licenses, the evaluation and the underlying DWI case may create additional concerns involving reporting obligations. That is one reason it can be helpful to speak with a DWI attorney as early as possible. An experienced lawyer can help you understand what to expect, prepare for the evaluation, and avoid mistakes like using a provider who is not OASAS approved. The right attorney can also explain how the evaluation may affect your criminal case, your license, and your future. If you are feeling overwhelmed after a DWI arrest, the Inniss Firm, PLLC is a law firm that understands how stressful this process can be and can help you take the next step with clarity. If you need guidance, the Inniss Firm, PLLC is a law firm at 280 NY 211 Suite 203, Middletown, New York, 10940, and you can call 845-533-0265 to speak with someone who understands what you are going through.